Hi everyone. Have you ever been browsing the web only to be bombarded by a relentless wave of pop-up ads? Or maybe your browser's homepage suddenly changed to a site you've never seen before. If that sounds familiar, you've likely encountered Adware. Adware, short for advertising supported software, is a unique breed of software. While some of it is perfectly legal and helps keep your favorite apps free, there is a darker side that crosses the line into cyber malice. Today, we're going to peel back the layers on what Adware is, how it sneaks into your life, and the famous real-world cases that change cybersecurity forever. So how does it get there? It rarely asks for permission politely. The most common method is software bundling. Think of it like a buy one, get one free deal that you never asked for. You download a free PDF editor or a game, and hidden inside the Express installation is the Adware script. Graphics showing a custom versus Express install box. Another method is browser hijacking. This is where the Adware takes control of your browser settings, forcing you to use their search engines so they can track what you're looking for. Finally, there are vulnerability exploits, where simply visiting a compromised website triggers a drive-by download through a security hole in your outdated browser. It's stealthy, and that's exactly why it's so effective. You might wonder, why do hackers bother with ads when they could be stealing credit cards? Well, Adware is a massive, low-risk moneymaker. It works on three main revenue models. Pay-per-view. The developer gets paid every time an ad pops up on your screen. Pay-per-click. They earn a commission if you're frustrated enough or curious enough to click that ad. Pay-per-install. This is the most dangerous one. The Adware uses its position on your computer to download even more unwanted programs, earning a fee for every successful installation. It's an automated cash machine for cybercriminals, and your device's performance is the price you pay. To understand the scale, let's look at some history. Text Case 1. Fireball. First, there's Fireball. In 2017, this Chinese-made Adware infected over 250 million computers. It didn't just show ads. It had the power to run any code on the victim's machine. It was essentially a backdoor for much worse malware. Text Case 2. Superfish. Then there's the Superfish scandal. In 2015, the tech giant Lenovo was caught pre-installing this Adware on their laptops. Superfish injected ads into Google results, but it did something worse. It broke the security encryption of the browser, making users' passwords and bank details visible to hackers on the same Wi-Fi network. Text Case 3. Duroc. And it's not just PCs. The Duroc mobile app was a popular card game on Android. It used a time bomb tactic, waiting 30 days after you installed it before showing symptoms. This made it nearly impossible for users to figure out which app was suddenly causing their phone to lag and crash. How do you know if you're a victim? Look for the red flags: your device running hot or slow, new toolbars you didn't install, or ads appearing even when your browser is closed. To stay safe, remember these three rules. Always use custom installation. Look for the hidden checkboxes that try to sneak in extra software. Keep your system updated. Patches fix the holes that Adware uses to crawl in. Use a dedicated malware scanner. Regular antivirus software is great, but tools like Malwarebytes are specifically designed to hunt down these potentially unwanted programs. Adware might seem like just a nuisance, but it's a gateway to bigger threats. By staying alert and choosing your downloads carefully, you can keep your digital life ad-free and secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and stay safe out there.